to my channel and welcome to some 6 a.m. days in my life. I have definitely been, I feel like, on the early morning bird train lately, and that's a really good feeling. I 100% know it's just because I've been getting more sleep. I've been trying to get in bed by 10 and then I'm usually asleep by like 10:30, and that has really helped me get up a whole lot earlier. I'm sure you guys can relate, but I always just feel like I get so much more done with my day when I wake up that extra hour or two earlier. Whether I'm choosing to spend the extra time, you know, like running errands or doing something for me, working on my goals or working, I literally never regret waking up earlier. And I just feel like from the hours of like 5 to 6:37, there's just a completely different energy in the air. Yeah, I just want to come on and say hi, good morning. We're going to be having an early cafe day today. I have some work to do, and then I'm also going to be going over to my brother's house, so it should be a good day. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and finish this water, get myself up. I've just been reading the news and like looking at some emails, just random stuff on my iPad. So we're going to get up with the day, get some breakfast, and head to the cafe. To wear your sunscreen. I'm wearing a fan favorite that's been one of my favorites for years now. Isntree. I just always love this, and it leaves your skin looking so glowy. Whoa, look at that difference. Let's go. It is now almost lunchtime. I actually just came over to my brother's house. He has been pretty sick lately. I feel so bad. He lives alone, so he doesn't really have anyone to cook for him if he's sick. So I was just like, hey, I'll come over. I will meal prep you just a couple days worth of food, and I'll make you some lunch, and hopefully that can help you feel somewhat better. It's literally like the most annoying thing being sick, especially when you don't have anyone like living with you to take care of you. So I'm really glad I can come by and help him out. Just got a package in, which are my favorite gloves that I use all the time in the kitchen and just around the house for cooking and cleaning. These are by the brand RUBBERLAB, aka the best household glove brand ever. Yay! Oh my gosh, so excited about all these new gloves for the kitchen. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just because I'm getting older, but stuff like this makes me so happy. Okay, so first for meal prepping, I'm gonna use the RUBBERLAB Nitrile gloves I just got in. I'm not kidding, this is the main brand I see everywhere in Korea. I feel like I didn't realize how often I like using gloves around my house until I actually got a box of these and kept them in my house in Busan. But I love using these gloves for cooking. If I'm doing cleaning around the house, they're also really, really good for my small business for like polishing the jewelry. And the reason that I've always really liked RUBBERLAB gloves is because they just feel tailored to my hands. Like when I put them on, it doesn't feel like there's a bunch of loose glove hanging off, and they don't have that like tacky or sticky feeling that a lot of other gloves have. In fact, they feel very, very soft. All right, I'm just picking out a little bit of music to put on. Let's do a little bit of jazz while we cook. These gloves are also smartphone friendly, which I love. So if you're doing stuff around the house wearing them and you need to like take a call or something, you can use your smartphone. You don't have to take them off. All right, meal prep is done. I started getting hungry after being around all the food, so I think I'm just going to snack on this orange for a couple of minutes until I move on to my next task. Oh my goodness, this orange just looks so good. So glad I had the RUBBERLAB Nitrile gloves to get me through the cooking just now. For the disposable gloves, besides the black and white, RUBBERLAB also has pink, which I had to show you guys. So cute. This box I'm holding right now is actually from Korea. They are from Korea, but also you can get this color along with all the other colors on Amazon. Oh, look how cute. So I will have these linked below. So glad that you guys can get your hands on some of my all-time favorite Korean cleaning products, and I cannot get over how cute these little pink guys are. I initially came over here just with the intentions of cooking for my brother, but now that I'm looking around, it just looks like it needs some love. There's some dishes in the sink and some dust on the ground, so I'm just going to spend like the next 20 or 30 minutes doing a light cleanup. Nothing too serious. Obviously, I don't want him getting disturbed by me like recklessly cleaning his house, but I do just want to help out where I can. For my cleaning, I've also been using my RUBBERLAB gloves. These are actually a different style, so these are their premium household gloves. These are definitely the most comfortable yet durable and thin gloves I have ever owned. I never really thought kitchen gloves could be thin and durable at the same time, but these ones are so nice. I hate the feeling of like super thick gloves to clean around the house with, just because they always feel like so stuffy inside. These ones are just so incredibly easy and seamless to slip on and off, and when you take them off, your hands don't feel like sticky or wet or anything. You can actually get these in both medium and large. I have mine in a medium, and they are literally the perfect fit. As you can see over here, once I finish using my gloves, I usually just leave them out to dry for just like 20 minutes or so. They also have tons of other colors available in the second design of their household gloves. So this is the first design, which has the longer sleeves, and then the other gloves that they have like shorter ones, which are also great for other household tasks. I love these. I love the grippiness. So you all can get your own box of Nitrile gloves on Amazon in various sizes and colors. Truly such a great daily household cleaning tool to have in the house. Some other things I like to use these for are washing my dog, doing beauty treatments. I know these are also super popular for gardening as well. The short length rubber gloves will also be available on Amazon very soon. So once those are out, I definitely recommend trying them. They're so cute and chic. They're durable, and they actually do make cleaning more fun. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up this bathroom here in a minute. Thank you so much to RUBBERLAB for sponsoring this portion of the video. I'm seriously so thrilled to be featuring such an iconic brand on my channel. These are like the hot glove in Korea. I see people using them all the time. I have them in my house in Korea as well, and I'm now glad that I get to share the love and leave a couple pairs of these at my brother's. This is my newest obsession. Good one. Good morning, guys. I am currently getting ready to go get a 7 a.m. coffee with my friend. Today we both decided we are in more of like a walking type of mood, so that's what I have going on this morning. I can't believe it is literally like 6:40ish right now. I am back inside. I just took a quick rinse off in the shower. It was really nice catching up with my friend this morning. I just feel so lucky that I have people in my life that I can wake up early and catch up with and see. Right now, I'm getting ready to head over to Barnes & Noble. I have not been there in such a long time. I really want to get a little just like mini pocket size calendar or something. And then also I would really like to buy a book about investing or just like having good money habits. I just made the most delicious looking yogurt bowl, and I had to show you. Looks so delicious. Enjoy! These are so fun. Okay, update. I found all the journals. Look at how pretty some of these are. It's a beautiful suede. If you guys are looking for a good lined notebook that has dividers, I filled this whole thing up and it has these awesome stickers that you can use. This one is also really cute. I like how it's binded. Good morning, everyone. Another day, another 6 a.m. wake up. The next morning now, I've been sitting here with my new little notebook I got yesterday. It just seems like the cutest, most lightweight, soft ring style book ever. And I was like, I need this. With the way my brain is wired, I love having a big sheet of notebook paper every day just to write all my thoughts down on. Okay, so this is how I have everything laid out right now, and this is my first time doing this, so obviously things will probably change. I first want to get some kind of like cute washi tape or sticker label because this ain't cute. Anyways, I went on Pinterest and I found some little layouts that I used for inspo. So yeah, this has been really fun for me to fill out, and I like how I have the little checklist because I'm a big checklist girl and I can just check it off as I go. And then I also wanted to show you the book that I chose yesterday. This is called Pillars of Wealth by David Green. How to Make, Save, and Invest. I skimmed through it and I saw some nice things in there that just kind of made me want to take it home. That is gonna be about it for this 6 a.m. days in my life vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this could give you a little bit of inspo for some things you could do with extra time in your morning. I was curious and I actually posted on my Instagram story because I'm just curious, what time does everyone really wake up? You know, we always see these YouTube videos of 5 a.m. mornings, like 6 a.m. optimal routine, but I'm just curious, like, when is everyone actually waking up? Okay, these results are literally just all over the playing field. We have 5:30, 9:30, 5:10. A lot of you guys actually do wake up at 5 a.m. That is awesome. I also know that midday slumps are a very real thing when you wake up even earlier. Like people that wake up at 4 a.m., I don't know how they don't hit like a crazy midday slump. I sometimes had the same thing, and I wanted to say to you guys, if you ever hit a slump, try having a hot glass of tea. It helps so much. Obviously, like caffeinated will help even more. It doesn't have to be caffeinated, but a nice hot tea in the middle of the day is like my favorite thing ever on the days that I'm waking up really early. That's about it for the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you so much. Be sure to check me out on Instagram if you haven't already. If you enjoyed the vlog, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching all the way until the end. Comment below a little blue heart emoji if you've watched until now. Love you, and I'll see you very soon in the next vlog. Bye!